leaves might be looking for water too, but actually they're looking for sun and they're looking for air. And they get, actually down by the roots, they get water and air, okay? But you know why it's looking for all these things? Because it makes its own food inside the plant. In those leaves, when it gets water and it gets sun, it makes food in the leaves, and then the leaves grow into the big plant. So, one of the seeds we're going to plant today is going to grow into this lettuce. You guys had lettuce? Might not have had green ones. There's all different color lettuce, like this, okay? So this one's going to grow a red lettuce. And then we've got another seed. No, it won't do it today. It takes time. It takes at least 10. It's going to take it about 10 days for the root to come out. And then it would take maybe another 50 days to get to this, a month. So what month are we in right now? October. It would take more than October, sometime in November. Okay. All right, so we're going to put our seeds in the ground. Can you guys come around here for a second? And we're going to grow these seeds.
You recognize that smell? You know that smell?
He's red. No, you need to write in your journal. Kiana, write in your journal.
You recognize the smell?
You do, Jeremiah.
You know it?
In your journal.
Does it smell familiar?
Or draw about it or something.
So this is made from a tree that grows here.
Yes.
This is made from a tree that grows here. Do you recognize it?
What we're going to do with it?
Don't touch your face. Everything in between where we just had our fingers, that's the core of our body. And so we have some really important stuff in our core, right? What's in our core? What do we keep in there? Bones in there. Bones in there? The bones, what else is in there? Okay. We have blood in there. What else? What's up here? What's pumping all that blood around? Our heart's in there. We have a lot of guts in there, right? So all that stuff needs to stay really warm. And if we're in cold water, it's going to be hard for that stuff to stay warm, right? But our body is going to work super hard, so it'll take a long time before our insides get cold. Our outsides get cold pretty fast, but our insides take a long time to get cold. So if we have on a light jacket, we can be safe for a long time. So we're going to go ahead and try on some light jackets because they are super important. So we're going to have to take turns because I have just 4 light jackets and there's 5 of you guys. So I'm going to have you guys go ahead and try these on. You're going to help with her. So do you want to come maybe over here and you guys can use this life jacket together? So when she's done, you can have a turn with this one. So do you want to stand up and just move right over here? Yep, so you can try on this one. What's your name? Cody. So Cody, you can go ahead and try on this one. So did you guys know that this helps?
I'm really dry.
So you can put it on your cat, like I have a paper cat.
Yeah, please try. Take a little of that. Put it somewhere. Even if you don't have a scrape, you can try it right now.
You can do that if you can sprinkle them around that way.
You should try some. Try some.
Okay, so the last step here for this kind of growing might is a piece of plastic over the top
And then you'll know what it
with a
is
rubber
next time you
band.
have it.
But I don't have that right now. Miss Terry's going to put that on later. But Kim's going to talk to you about planting a different one.
Are you checking to see if it fits? What do you think? Does that fit good? Should we tighten it a little bit more?
I'm probably thunder out and fall down, Cody.
Can we give her a turn now? This light jacket? What's your name? Melinda.
Do it to me, Shelly.
Make sure this light jacket fits.
Look at my feet. Watch my feet. Do it, Shelly.
So it's your job to check your life jackets. Even though you guys are kids, you should check to make sure they fit.
Be sure to take notes. I'm going to check your notes. Take notes.
So if you need help tightening your life jacket, you can always check with a grown-up.
We're just going to sprinkle some on the top. You want a different kind? And then all we're gonna do is just cover it up a little bit.
Yep, nice and snug.
So the spruce is one plant
So
that
it's
we
not
have.
gonna come up
So
over.
she's not gonna put plastic over hers,
And this one has to be watered.
but this one's gonna have plastic and you won't water it. And then what did you do with those?
And then this is
What was it? Tell them.
This is romaine lettuce. All you do is shove it in water, okay? And change the water every 2 days. And same with the onions. Yeah, that's the onions, green onions, and that's romaine lettuce.
Alright, so why don't we go ahead
I'm gonna grow these in a